And I've come to this STEM learning workshop from Pathways. So in this workshop I programmed a moving satellite. So right now I'm just building this lion model over here, and it is actually a little bit easy and medium. I've already built it earlier as well. I'm building this airplane. I think it's a World War I airplane. I really like history and everything. So I thought this would be perfect for me.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Donnan. I'm the Head of Department of Design Technology at Pathways School of Rapoli. And we've had the pleasure of being here at M3M today, where we've been working with the children with some laser cut models of animals and planes, money box that they've had the opportunity to assemble and take away. Also 3D printing, we've been demonstrating that.
They have a strong design team led by some very good teachers, and so obviously kids are very interested in it. I think it's the way to be. It's a very futuristic, technical kind of an area.
Hi, my name is Nidhi, and it feels really great to be part of this workshop today. I think it feels really amazing to see how kids are getting interested in exploring things on their own, getting the machineries, giving them, the basic programming, the coding language to the, robots, and enjoying the overall workshop.
I think it's a very good initiative by Pathways. The lab looks very nice. They have the setup is available in schools. The robotics and what the kids are trying is really hands-on, and I think it's a good thing to have it in school.